Well, hello. Welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. My name is Shane. I'm sorry I've been away from the camera for so long. I know it's been at least a couple of years that I've been gone. I do apologize for that. Just doing videos has actually been a little tough for me to do here lately. But I am back today, and I got a two-part video. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm back in the kitchen, as you can tell, or I guess you can tell, side of my kitchen, but I'm back in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to do a Cajun seasoning. What the Cajun seasoning for? Well, you got to tune in for the next video. And no, the next video won't be another couple of years down the line. I'm hoping to get the next video out within the next day or two. But to make that recipe that we're going to be doing then, we're going to need to make some Cajun seasoning. Now, yes, you can go on to the store and buy your own Cajun seasoning. Me, myself, I love Tony's Sassery, but we're going to make our own homemade seasoning. So stay tuned. I'll show you what's all the ingredients is to get, how to do it, and you enjoy it. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not, but I got 8 different seasonings here in a couple of cups here. I'll let you know what each one of these are. They even got a mortar and pestle. I'll tell you what that's for, and then a little icky bowl. Now, in this seasoning mix I got going on here, I could tell you that it's been handed down from my grandma, who got it from their grandma, got it from their grandma. But to be honest with you, most everybody who says that online are lying to you. They got it off the internet somewhere. So, saying that, this recipe I got from my daddy, who got it from his daddy, who got it from his daddy, and so on and so forth. You know the drill. But anyway, what we got here, we got 3 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Yes, you can use regular paprika, but I highly encourage you to use the smoked paprika. 2 tablespoons of kosher salt. Then we got 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Then we drop down to 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Back up here, we got 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. Now, this oregano is what I actually grew in my own garden about a year or 2 ago. So I did kind of smash it down a little bit, but that's what the mortar and pestle for. All these big stuff, we're going to put in there and smash it down a little bit more so it can be all kind of consistent on sizes, okay? So again, that is 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Then we got 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now again, let's take these big chunks here that need to be crushed down. We're going to put that into our mortar and pestle, and we're going to grind that down to a nice little powder. Okay, all we're going to do is just kind of mix this around in here. Just kind of grinding it up. Let's get it into a powder. You want it to look something like that. Alright? Okay, so now in this little bowl here, let's go ahead and add everything in there. We're going to put all of our seasonings in. Including what we just grounded up. Then we gotta get a spoon, which I forgot to get. in my case, a butter knife. Let's go ahead and stir this together. If your paprika came in chunks like mine did, just go ahead and bust them up. It ain't hard at all to do. Alright, it'll be looking like that there. That's your Cajun seasoning. Now we need to put this into a container that we can keep it in, because we ain't going to be using all this seasoning. You're going to use some, but then you can keep it for other recipes that you might need your own Cajun seasoning on. Alright, so let's put it into a container. Alright, here you go. You got your own Cajun spice that you made yourself. Now, full disclosure, as I was putting it in here, I did notice that my kosher salt was kind of big. So I did put it all back into the mortar and pestle, and I did ground it up more. That's really good that you go ahead and do that with all it together. That way you can have consistent texture throughout your whole deal. And then just find you an old spice can. I think this used to be smoked paprika. I marked that out and put my Cajun seasoning on it. So yeah, there you go. Now you just go ahead and store this into your cabinet, and when you need Cajun seasoning, there you go. You got you some homemade. Alright, I hope you liked this video, and please stay tuned for my next my next video, to where I'm going to show you what we can do with this Cajun seasoning. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Alright, well, my name is Shane, and this is, I guess, Shane's Hobby Shop, just in the kitchen. We'll see you next time. Good day.